Divine wisdom flows through every element of nature. When we open our hearts and attune our spirit, the sacred messages woven into creation reveal themselves for us to hear. Today's divine wisdom comes from the horse. I am the horse, your gallant steed. I ask you to stand beside me for a moment and notice the way that I don't navigate life with my mind. I listen with my body. Place your hand upon my side and feel my breath. Notice the steady rise and fall. I do not force it. It comes and goes with the natural flow of being. I carry what's placed upon my back without burden, but I do not hold it tightly. I know that it's not mine to keep, but only to move with until it's time to release. Walk with me. I do not rush ahead, nor do I linger behind. I move in perfect rhythm with what is. And when I am still, I am fully still, standing strong and anchored to the earth beneath me. I know that rest is not something you earn. It's something that you remember. Breathe. Soften your grip and return to the quiet strength within you. I am the horse. I have always known the way, and so do you.